Hi, I'm going to show you how to make your computer appear like it's magic on a video. See this Kleenex box? I'm going to magically make it appear in my hand. See? There you have it. It's a Kleenex box. See? Magically made it appear in my hands. Well, you're going to wonder how I did that. First off, I put my hand out, and then you put your hand somewhere where the audience can see, so that they don't want you just to be like that, so they don't see it. Well, what you're going to want to do is you're going to put your hand somewhere and you know where it's supposed to be at. Like in the video, I put my hand right about here. And what I did is with my right hand, I put the Kleenex box right there, and then I placed my hand in the position of where it was at before. And when you're doing this, separate the video that shows you moving the Kleenex box. And so when you make the video, it will appear like magic.